Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about Java recursive function, its advantages and disadvantages, and also you will learn about static method, instance method, abstract method and factory method. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Java recursion. In Java, a method that calls itself is known as recursive method, and this process is known as recursion. Syntax of Java recursion is: this is how recursion works. In this example, we have called the recurse method from inside the main method, and inside the recurse method, we are again calling the same recurse method. This is a recursive call. In order to stop the recursive call, we need to provide some conditions inside the method, otherwise the method will be called infinitely. Hence we use the if-else statement to terminate the recursive call inside the method. In this example, we have a method named factorial. The factorial is called from the main method with the number variable passed as an argument. Here, notice the statement. The factorial method is calling itself. Initially, the value of n is 4 inside factorial. During the next recursive call, 3 is passed to the factorial method. This process continues until n is equal to 0. When n is equal to 0, the if statement returns false, hence 1 is returned. Finally, the accumulated result is passed to the main method. This is the working of factorial program. Output of this program is: advantages and disadvantages of recursion. When a recursive call is made, new storage locations for variables are allocated on the stack. As each recursive call returns, the old variables and parameters are removed from the stack. Hence, recursion generally uses more memory and is generally slow. On the other hand, a recursive solution is much simpler and takes less time to write, debug, and maintain. Static method. A method that has static keyword is known as static method. A static method can access only static data. The main advantage of static method is that we can call it without creating an object. It is invoked by using the class name. Output of this program is: instance method. The method of the class is known as an instance method. It is non-static method defined in the class. Before calling or invoking the instance method, it is necessary to create an object of its class. There are two types of instance method: accessor method and mutator method. The method that reads the instance variable is known as the accessor method. We can easily identify it because the method is prefixed with the word get. It is used to get the value of the private field. The method reads the instance variable and also modify the values. We can easily identify it because the method is prefixed with the word set. It does not return anything. It accepts a parameter of the same data type that depends on the field. It is used to set the value of the private field. Let's take an example. Output of this program is: abstract method. The abstract class in Java cannot be instantiated. We use the abstract keyword to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can have both the regular methods and abstract methods. The method that does not has method body is known as abstract method. We use the same abstract keyword to create abstract methods. If a class contains an abstract method, then the class should be declared abstract. Otherwise, it will generate an error. Let's take an example. Output of this program is factory method. It is a method that returns an object to the class to which it belongs. All static methods are factory methods. For example, if you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.